Cordless stick vacuums should be your go-to if you need something lightweight and portable. They're easier to maneuver around rooms and carry upstairs than traditional vacuums, and you won't have to worry about range since they don't have cords. Before you buy, you'll want to consider a few things like, how much cleaning time do you need? Do you need any suction boost? What about specific attachments? Welcome to Tech Spectrum and our video covering the top 5 cordless stick vacuums. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Before we begin, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for more info. Number 5. Best Budget Vacuum. Wyze Cordless Vacuum. This vacuum offers the right power for virtually any surface using its 3-stage filtration system. First, the vacuum cyclone separates different size debris. Next, a metal screen filters large particles like dirt and hair. And finally, a high-efficiency HEPA filter removes 99.99% of particles, less than 0.3 micrometers in diameter. You can choose between Eco 7,000 Pascal, Medium 15,000 Pascal, and Turbo 24,000 Pascal suction power. Its long-lasting, interchangeable batteries let you finish what you started. In Eco mode, you'll be able to enjoy up to 50 minutes of fade-free power. Add on an additional battery pack and you'll get up to 100 minutes of runtime. The vacuum features a brushless digital motor and a motorized brush head. There are 6 LED lights on the brush head to illuminate dust and debris, ensuring that everything gets cleaned. The brush head is also good at picking up pet hair. Wyze has also included an array of attachments to help you tackle any kind of mess. Have crumbs on the couch? There's a crevice tool for that. Have dust on the door frame? There's a brush tool for that. Additionally, the vacuum features a crystal clear LED display to help you monitor speeds and usage. A common complaint of users is with a specific gasket on the vacuum. The gasket frequently falls off the vacuum when you're emptying it in the trash. If this happens, the vacuum will no longer function properly, and unfortunately, Wyze doesn't sell a replacement. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable option that performs well, the Wyze Cordless Vacuum is an easy recommendation. Number 4. Best Compact Vacuum. Shark Wand Vac System. This vacuum is the powerful answer to everyday mess. It features hyper-velocity accelerated suction power that provides an incredible cleaning performance in an ultra-lightweight frame. The 3-in-1 cordless vacuum is ready for anything. You can handle above-floor cleans in hand vac or wand mode, or snap into stick vacuum mode in seconds to tackle floors and carpets with ease. Utilizing deep cleaning power fins technology, the vacuum uses continuous cleaning contact to dig deep into carpets and directly engage floors. The self-cleaning brush roll ensures there is no more hair wrap. After you're done cleaning, you can empty the one-touch hygienic dust cup without creating a mess. The vacuum offers various cleaning modes that you can easily switch between with one-touch transitions. There's even a boost mode that you can activate for extra bursts of strong suction for tougher messes. Included is a sleek, portable charging and storage base. This lets you keep the vacuum charged while stored so it's ready whenever you need it. It also comes with some accessories, including a pet multi-tool and a dust or crevice tool. Additionally, the vacuum has a 16.5-minute maximum runtime and takes about 210 minutes to fully charge. Having an additional battery on hand would definitely be a good idea. A common complaint of users with the vacuum's low dust cup capacity. The bin is only 0.03 gallons. The vacuum works well with pet hair, but the bin will fill up quickly. You'll have to remember to empty it with each cleaning. Overall, if you're looking for a compact option that can be easily stored, the Shark Wand Vac system is a solid buy. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Value Vacuum. Eureka Stylus. This cordless stick vacuum uses a 350-watt digital motor to deliver powerful suction capability to pick up small and large particles on both carpets and hard floors. The powerful motorized floor nozzle features automatic height adjustment for seamless all-floor cleaning, and even has LED headlights to ensure you see all the dust and debris in your cleaning path. The vacuum offers 3 cleaning modes. You can easily switch between the modes with a fingertip control to select the perfect level of suction for any mess. Paired with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the 3 modes offer 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 45 minutes of runtime for easy cordless cleaning. The vacuum was engineered with grab-and-go convenience in mind. Its 2-in-1 design easily converts to a hand vac for cleaning challenging spots like stairs and cars. And its lightweight design at just 6.4 pounds means you can easily use this stick vacuum to reach high into corners. The dust cup has been moved to the front so you can lay the vacuum completely flat to reach under beds and furniture. and this lay-flat design allows you to rest the vacuum on tables, countertops, and furniture without worrying about it falling over. A common complaint of users is that the vacuum performs poorly when it comes to cleaning pet hair. Users have noted that the brush quickly becomes tangled when vacuuming pet hair. The brush becomes tightly wrapped and will need to be constantly cleaned in order to function properly. Overall, if you're looking for a great combination of cost and performance, the Eureka Stylus is a great choice. Number 2 runner-up, Miele Triflex HX1. This flexible vacuum combines 3 cordless vacuums into a single appliance with its 3-in-1 design. This innovative design involves moving the vacuum's power unit into different positions. In reach mode, the power unit sits at the top, making lifting and maneuvering the vacuum into hard-to-reach places effortless. In comfort mode, the power unit is put in the lower position, making it easier to handle. And lastly, in compact mode, the power unit is used on its own, ideal for quick cleaning of small areas. When used in conjunction with the powerful electro brush, the vacuum's vortex technology is as powerful as Miele's highest-performing canister models. The electro brush has an 11-inch extra-wide design to clean a larger surface area in less time. In addition, a HEPA filter ensures that the vacuum captures and filters over 99.99% of all microscopic particles and allergens. Miele's replaceable Varta lithium-ion battery gives the vacuum up to 60 minutes of cleaning per charge. There's even a pro version of the vacuum that comes with a spare battery and an additional charger cradle, which provides a practical solution for charging both batteries at the same time. Additionally, the vacuum features a twist-to-open feature that allows you to easily open the dust container with a single twist. A common complaint users have is with emptying the dust container. Users have reported that the process is extremely messy. Users have described experiencing a plume of fine dust whenever the canister is open. This issue is compounded by the fact that the container is small and needs to be emptied frequently. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile and reliable option, the Miele Triflex H1 is sure to please. Number 1. Best Cordless Vacuum, Dyson V15 Detect. Touted as Dyson's most intelligent and powerful cordless unit, the vacuum uses the Dyson Hyperdymia motor to spin up to 125,000 RPM to generate powerful suction that can deep clean carpets and hard floors, and uses whole machine filtration that traps 99.99% of fine dust as small as 0.3 microns to expel cleaner air into your home. The vacuum ensures scientific proof of a deep clean in 4 steps. First, the Laser Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head uses a laser to detect particles you can't normally see. Next, a piezo sensor counts and measures the size of dust particles. The vacuum then uses this data to intelligently adapt the power to dust levels. And finally, an LCD screen shows you scientific proof of a deep clean with various data points. Within the vacuum sits an energy-dense battery. This click-in battery is capable of delivering up to 60 minutes of whole home cleaning and can be replaced at the press of a button. The vacuum can be neatly stored and charged using the included wall-mounted docking station. After you're done cleaning, the large bin can be emptied easily and hygienically with a point-and-shoot system. The filter and fluffy brush bar can also be washed to remove dust buildup. A common complaint users have is with the vacuum's power button, which needs to be held down to run the vacuum. Unfortunately, there's no way to lock the button in place, and users have mentioned that they've experienced arm fatigue when cleaning for long durations. Overall, if you want the top-performing option, look no further than the Dyson V15 Detect. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.